Hello everyone, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil, College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar, Department Electrical Engineering, Subject Electrical Substation Practices, Subject Code 22633, Semester 6. Today we are studying practical number 2. The name of practical is that draw layout and prepare report on 11 kV pole mounted substation. So we have to see the layout representation of 11 kV pole mounted substation. This is the image of the pole mounted electrical substation as 11 kV by 400 volt. Here first we have to see the single line diagram representation as shown in that image. The 11 kV overhead line, near to that 11 kV overhead line one lightning arrestor device is connected. The function of the lightning arrestor is that which divert high voltage towards the earth with the help of lightning arrestor. The next device is the fuse. It is the protective device which provides the protection to the electrical power systems. In case of the fault occur, then fuse element melt and provide the protection to the another electrical equipments. Next, isolating switch. The main function of the isolating switch is that if it is connected, then it carries the continuity of the supply from one end to the another end. If switch are open, then it discontinuity the supply. Next, step down transformer is connected. That step down transformer step down 11 kV into 400 volt. So that 400 volt are essential for the residential purpose as well as the commercial application, and it is used for the requirement of the consumer. So this is the single line diagram representation of pole mounted 11 kV substation. The main equipment of the 11 kV pole mounted substation is that lightning arrestor, fuse, isolating switch, step down transformer which is required for the step down of the voltage level as step down 11 kV into 400 volt with the help of step down transformer. So this is the pole mounted substation. Pole mounted substation means the transformer are mounted on that pole. That is the H type pole mounted substation is also known. So these pole mounted substation are directly divert the electricity as electricity is fed to the as per requirement of the consumer. As 11 kV are stepped down into the 400 volt with the help of step down transformer. Next, we have to see the why pole mounted substation are the required. So need of the pole mounted substation. So this substation is the distribution substation receiving 3-phase 11 kV feeder line on the primary and stepping the voltage 400 volt 3-phase and 230 volt single phase from the star connected transformer as the secondary winding. For the convenience of the distribution, it is the location is at the load center in the city or rural area or in the farm. This is need to have the short length distribution for saving the line cost. So the length of that transmission may be the reduced. As it is the small capacity transformer, it need low capacity accessories and the station can be mounted on 4-pole or 2-pole steel structure of the H type as shown in the previous section. It is the open air insulated type substation. So these are the point regarding the need of the pole mounted substation. So why pole mounted substation are the required. So these are the essential points regarding the pole mounted substation. Next, we have to see the which are the main accessories and the electrical equipment are required for the pole-mounted substation. So, some essential accessories and the equipment are the given as the strain insulator or the support incoming 11 kV feeder line of the pole-mounted or the floor-mounted transformer that is required as the main accessories and equipment. Then a 3-phase 11 kV feeder line, strain insulator as the supporting cross arms are the required, lightning arrestor, dropout fuse unit and isolating switch. So these are the different types of the electrical equipment are the required for the main accessories and the equipment of the pole mounted substation. Now we have to see the which are the material and the accessories are required for the pole mounted substation. The list of that material and the accessories are given here. The pole number as the two numbers of the pole may be the required and the length of that pole is 9 meter long. Then distributor transformer 11 kV by 440 volt 230 volt as the one distributor transformer may be the required. Then DC insulator as the 11 kV 3 DC insulator may be the required. 11 kV fuse unit 1 11 kV fuse unit may be the required. 1 light 3 lightning arrestor may be the required. Then a stray wire, distribution box, earthing set, stray set, then GI wire. Then so these are the different types of the electrical material and accessories which are required for electrical substation as the pole mounted electrical substation. Nut bolt may be the required, PVC cable 4 core LT, then distribution box. So these are the different types of the accessories and the material are required for electrical substation just like pole mounted electrical substation. Okay. Thank you students.